So hello friends, welcome back to channel. In previous videos we are learning about the symbols. Today we will discuss about two symbols, dot and dot dot. Okay. So if you see, every directory ls-l is having two hidden files ls-la. What are the hidden file? Dot and dot dot. So what are these? Dot is containing the current directory data and dot dot is containing parent directory data. So currently we are in slash root. So dot is containing about the data about root and dot dot is containing about data on slash. Okay. So how we can do this? If I do cd dot, I am in same directory. If I do cd dot dot, so that means I am passing cd slash. So it will switch to slash. Let's see pwd. I moved here. Okay. So if we are in etc sysconfig network script, okay. If I want to go two levels back, so cd dot dot, so network script, and then slash the parent of this sysconfig. I should be in a slash etc now. So that's how parent directory is working. Now if I do du hyphen sh, it's showing dot. Current directory size is 42M. So what's the use of dot? So if I want to make a copy slash etc and rc.local and I want to copy it in current directory, so what I will do? Dot. So current directory slash root, okay, the data of slash root is in this dot symbol. So if I hit the enter key, we'll see rc.local got captured here. It's not just this thing. If we switch to slash tmp, now dot ls-la says tmp dot is containing data of slash tmp. Okay, so if I execute that command, copy rc.local here, so it will get copy slash tmp rc.local. You're able to see data also. Currently it's got copy here. Okay, recently. So that's how dot is containing a data of current directory. Now if I do copy rc.local in dot dot, okay, so where it will go? It will go in a slash. So cd slash, because currently I'm in slash tmp, so dot is having tmp address and dot dot is having slash address. Switch to slash ls rc.local got key ls-l rc.local and date command. See, that's how dot and dot dot is very important. Okay, so if I want to do cd dot, it will not switch anywhere, and now I am in a parent directory of all the directories rests. It will won't move anywhere. See, because there is no parent directory of slash. Slash is the parent of all the directories. So that's how if interview will ask you, so that's why I call you. See, this is the current directory. Okay, this dot is holding the data of current directory and dot dot is contained data of parent directory. And if you go in etc sysconfig, every directory will have those two files ls-la and dot. Okay, because if I run dot, it will take this symbol. Every directory is having detail of dot and dot dot. Okay, so that's how you can use. And if we go slash home Amit, this directory will also have two hidden file, which is dot and dot dot. So each and every file will have two directories, that is called dot and dot dot. If I do cd dot, I will end it here. If I do cd dot dot, it will go to a home directory. So these are the two directories which is pointing to your current directory and your parent directory. Okay, so that's all about dot and dot dot. Okay, what next we are having? Okay, now we are having one called symbol called hash. So let me go to home directory. Let me clear my screen. Now we'll discuss about the hash. This. So what's the use of hash? Hash is comment. So cat slash home Amit. Nothing is going to happen because if I am running any command starting with hash, that is not read by system. Okay, but if I remove hash, it will throw me error, no such file or directory. Okay, so here we are having test. We'll do cat test file is there, but if I put hash here, it will not get read. System will not read as a command. It's not showing any output. It's the comment. Okay, what's the use of comment? So vi slash etc rc.local, we have made one entry here, so you are able to see every command, every line. This file is added as a compatibility purpose. Okay, and hash they have given. So whenever this script will get executed, these green color line which is starting with hash will not get executed. Okay, so only the lines which are not having hash in the beginning of the line will get read. Okay, so hash will not get read or will not get interpreter, will be like which will not get compiled by the interpreter. So like if you want to describe any command in a script, so consume this thing as a script. Okay, we are seeing this thing as a script. This script is running two command, touch where logs is subsystem local and temp amit, two files getting touch. If I execute, two file will get created or timestamp will get executed if it is already present, and these things will not get read. Here we are giving the information what this script is doing, who has written this script, what's the purpose of this script. So every script will have this type of thing, which will where we'll describe this script is written by this person, the owner of the script, the purpose of the script. These are the variables. These are the thing. So whenever new persons like someone else is reading that script, so they will able to identify. Okay, they have mentioned this command. Using this command, I am able to understand what the purpose of this script. So hash is for comments, okay, which will not get compile with your compiler or interpreter. Okay, if you run any command starting with hash, it will not work. So that's all for the today's video. Today we have learned dot, dot dot and hash. Practice this thing. See you in the next video. If you have any questions, put in the comments box. Bye bye.